All right, hi guys. So today we are going to be doing science. I know yesterday we did not do it, so we will be doing the one from Monday, which is this one right here. And we will be watching a YouTube video on the geosphere layers of the Earth. So we're going to watch this video, and then after this short video, we are going to answer some questions.
Smile and learn! Today we're going to learn about the geosphere. The geosphere is an inner layer of the Earth, extending from its surface to the inner core of the planet. This layer is made up of solid rock and habitable ground. The thickness of the geosphere is approximately 6,730 kilometers. The geosphere is made up of rocks, minerals, magma, and sand. The closer we get to the inner core, temperature, density, and pressure progressively increase. The geosphere is made up of three concentric layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The crust is the thinnest, outermost layer of the geosphere. The thickness of the crust varies from 5 to 30 kilometers, depending on where you are on the Earth. The crust is made up of continents and the bottoms of the oceans. The geosphere is broken up into several tectonic plates. These make up the crust and also the mantle, and they are found in a layer called the lithosphere. Tectonic plates are constantly moving, molding the crust. Their movements causes earthquakes. The second layer of the geosphere is called the mantle. It is 82% of the Earth's volume, being 2,900 kilometers thick. The temperature of the mantle is really high, ranging from 700 to 1,300 degrees Celsius. That's why it's made up of molten rock called magma. Sometimes magma finds its way up to the surface and flows up through the void between the tectonic plates. This is when volcanoes erupt. The core is the innermost layer of the Earth, and it is 3,500 kilometers thick. The inner part of the core is made up of solid iron, where the outer part is made up of liquid iron and nickel. The temperature in the core is ultra high, ranging from 4,400 to 6,000 degrees Celsius. The wide ranges of temperature and pressure conditions in the outer core cause the molten metal to move. This results in the formation of electric currents that produce magnetic fields. Did you know that thanks to these magnetic fields, we are able to use instruments like the compass? These are the layers of the geosphere. Did you like learning about them? Did you like the video? We have so many.
Okay, now that we have concluded that video, we are going to be working on lesson 4, hard-boiled earth, pages 61 through 65. So this is what it would look like. You have lesson 4, hard-boiled earth, and it's going to be page 61 to 65. So right here, you're going to write your name and the date, the title of the lesson, hard-boiled earth. I'm going to go ahead and read this to you, and then you are going to be answering some questions. Let's use what we know about the Earth's layers and a hard-boiled egg to compare how the egg and the Earth are similar in contrast to how the egg and the Earth are different. Check all the sentences that are true about the Earth. So you are going to be checking all the sentences that are true about the Earth. You have the Earth is round, the Earth is made of jelly, the Earth has 5 layers. So check your correct answer. Then you also have the Earth has a thin outer layer called the crust. You can cook the Earth. The Earth is made of rock and metal. If you drop the Earth, it will crack. The Earth is yellow inside. So the same thing here, check your answer. Now, let's check all the sentences that are true about a hard-boiled egg. So the first one we have, an egg is oval in shape. An egg is made of rock. an egg has 3 layers. Remember, you can check all the sentences that are true, so there could be more than one. On the next one, we have an egg has a thin outer layer called a shell. An egg is brown inside. Eggs will break if you drop them. You cannot cut an egg. You can cook an egg. Check your best answers. Once you are done, please make sure you submit the picture, or if at all possible, just let the teacher know that you've completed the work. So this one goes to page 65, so we'll go ahead and stop right here. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your teacher. The office hours are from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Thank you and good luck.